Hello everyone, welcome to the Learn with Ravi Microsoft Opera YouTube channel. So this is our first lesson in this YouTube channel, and today we are going to learn how to check the rooms availability from the Opera PMS. So this lesson is important for the anyone who's working or planning to work in front office department or the reservation department. So for this one, first step that you need to do is logging to the Opera PMS. First, you have to enter your username and password and click login. And you will have this window and click on PMS tab. Once you click on PMS tab, you will have the main screen of the Opera PMS. So why this lesson is important? Before you create a reservation or offer rates to the guest, you should know that you have enough rooms available. So if you don't have enough room available to sell, you should not offer the rates. So to make sure that rooms are available for the selling, we had to check the rooms availability. So this is a very easy thing to do in the Opera PMS. You just need to click, you just need to press, actually, you need to press a shortcut key, Control F2 together. So once you press the Control F2, you will have this window open, a detailed availability. So in here, you will have the start date. It will be always the current date. If you want future date, you can just simply change this one, or the past date also, you can simply change this one. And make sure that you tick availability. And over here, you have 3 more options actually. If you want to include out of order rooms also together with the availability, you can tick this one. And if you want to include overbooking, you can tick this one as well. Include overbooking means that when you have physical inventory, you can sell up to that amount only. But if in case if you want to sell more than that availability, you can inform to the Opera that you want to sell more than that availability. As example, let's say you have a 10 standard room available, physically available in your hotel, but you want to make the rates and room available up to 15 units. So you are giving command to the Opera, okay, I have a physical inventory, 10 rooms, but still I want to sell up to 15 units. So that means you are increasing your inventory. Even you don't have physically, you are going to increase your inventory up to 15 rooms. So at that time, if you don't tick this one, it will not show you that increased inventory. And in case if you want to see only the physical availability, like the actual room count physically available in the hotel, you can untick this one. And if you want to include non-deducted, you can tick this tab. Include non-deducted means once we have a group, we have to block rooms for them. So if you want to see those reservation or the rooms as well in the availability, you can tick on this. And after that, after you open this window, you can simply click on search. And once you click on search, the availability will show you in this screen. So in here, you can see you have a date available in the left hand side corner. So you have a date, and also you have the room type enough. So as example, in here you will have the total room count, total room availability on that day, and after that you will have room availability by room type. So as example, in here, we have 8 cozy rooms available on 5th of August and 16 MEDS room type available on 5th of August. Likewise, you can check how many rooms are available on this specific date. So that is how you can check the rooms availability from the Opera PMS. And if you find this video useful and helpful, please like and subscribe my YouTube channel and share with your friends. Thank you very much.